Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one new rhythm. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Let's break it down now. We will divide this rhythm in two parts. The first part is 1 and a. We will strike the bass of our Congo on the first beat like this. 1. And then we will strike the high tom on and. 1 and after that we will strike the bass on a. 1 and a. One more time. 1 and a. The second part is 2 E and a. We will again strike the bass on the second beat. 2 and then we will strike the high tom on E. 2 E. And after that we will strike the mid tom on and a. Make sure you start with your left hand like this. And a. The complete second part is 2 E and a. One more time. 2 E and a. Now let's combine the first and second part together. 1 and a, 2 E and a. One more time. 1 and a, 2 E and a. The rhythmic pattern of third and fourth beat is exactly same as the rhythmic pattern of first and second beat respectively. Now let's play the complete rhythm together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this rhythm on your Congo. If you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.